Namaskar. Today we will discuss about non-optical low vision device. Non-optical device play an important role in the successful use of many low vision optical devices. Uses relative size, illumination, position, contrast, color or other sensory inputs for their effects. Non-optical devices improve functional vision, cheaper than optical devices, easily available for users or usage. Non-optical devices helpful in increasing illumination level, contrast level, physical comfortable level. It makes things easier to see by modifying their color, contrast, shape, size and position. Non-optical devices are assistive technology, piece of equipment, product, system or software used to increase, maintain or improve functional capabilities of individuals with sight loss. It means that low vision child. Types of non-optical devices. Number 1. Relative size and larger assistive devices. Number 2. Glare, contrast and lighting control devices. Number 3. Posture and comfort maintenance devices. Number 4. Handwriting and written communication devices. Number 5. Medical management devices. Number 6. Orientation and mobility management techniques and devices. Number 7. Sensory substitution devices. Like these 7 non-optical devices are main useful for low vision child. Relative size and larger assistive devices. Now we will discuss about relative size and larger assistive devices. In that, first point is large print materials. That is the best example. Enlarged photocopy material and computer printouts of large font size. It can make large print easily using photocopies. Keeping mind margins, spacing and type style, etc. In that, double line spacing, font size is 18. 18 we have to keep for low vision child. Generally, normal person can read 8 font size. For low vision child, we have to arrange font size is 18. In that, Magic 8.0 is suitable for them. And advantages of non-optical devices. In that cosmesis, the individual is able to read looking like a person with normal vision. Those who are wearing these devices, the person will look like normal person only. The disadvantages we have to discuss. Books are too heavy and bulky, therefore difficult to hold long hours. Then second disadvantage is less availability. It's rare availability. Then second point is glare, contrast and light control. Contrast is important in enhancing functional vision. Low vision child with contrast visual efficiency will be complain about reading bills and medicine labels, etc. Increasing illumination level will easily enhance contrast. Then illumination. Illumination, wall attached lamps. We have to arrange flogen lights. It means that high intensity lights. Incandescent lights. It means that 60 volt longer wavelength bulbs. Fluorescent light 11 volt blue spectrum lights. Like this, with the help of these all bulbs, illumination will be increased. The next, shades. Shades, caps, hats, side shields, etc. is useful for low vision child. Adequate lights with the help of artificial flexible lamps is possible. Different eye conditions require different light levels. Low vision child with RP requires higher illumination light. Glaucoma and cataract produce glare. Patients or children benefit from different tinted lenses to control glare, or peaked cap reduces greater visual comfort. For albinism students, dim light is required. Albinism requires controlled or indirect lightings, proper sitting arrangements against direct sun, or use of curtains will help the lighting control. Then filters reduce glare, enhance contrast, reduce adaptation time. Filters can use for reduce glare, enhance contrast, and reduce adaptation time. Then color and contrast. Next heading is color and contrast. Adjustment of appropriate color and contrast around the working environment. Wall and ceiling color, furniture and decorating materials, color the wall root, railing and staircases, door and windows knob and handles, kitchen vase and vessels, edges of the staircases, bed sheet, curtain, pillow cover and table cover, floor cover or non-skid, etc. These type of adaptations and arrangements we have to do to facilitate for low vision child. Then posture and comfort maintenance. Reading devices require closer reading distances. Low vision child need to be bent the maintain close distance, causes discomfort and stress. Adjustable reading stand recommended for continuous reading or writing. Reading racks, book stand, lap desk, copy holders, etc. very useful for low vision child to continuous or hours together reading and writing. Then reading stand, material tilt 45 to 70 degrees of the vertical. High powered stand magnifier, if appropriate tilting, improve, reduce and fatigue. Telescopes, ring, stand, head-mounted telescopes are available. We have to prefer them. And reading stands, very useful. It reduces the fatigue. Continuous reading is possible with reading stand. Telescope attached with head-mounted, that is also useful for low vision child to read continuously. The next sight reading is handwriting and written communication. Signature guide, check guides, reading guide, letter writers, bold felt tip pens, 3B pencils, bold lines, increases contrast and makes reading easier. Type of paper used: bold line paper, large print typewriters. These are the equipment required for low vision child. Writing guide: block cards with rectangular cutouts horizontally along the card. The low vision child can feel the empty cut out spaces and write. Then notex. It is a rectangular piece of cardboard with steps on top right corner which help in identifying the currency of the note. First cut indicates 500 rupees, second cut indicates 100 rupees, third cut indicates 50 rupees, fourth cut indicates 20 rupees, so on. Devices for reading. Non-optical devices for reading. In that, number 1, reading material with enlarged and high contrast print. Number 2, typoscopes. Number 3, fixed reading stand. Number 4, adjustable reading stand. Number 5, illuminated reading stand. Number 6, an enlarged and high contrast calculator. Number 6, a talking calculator. Number 7, a talking dictionary. Number 8, talking books. Number 9, tape recorders. Number 10, reading material in braille. Number 11, tactile cards. These are the devices are very useful for low vision child. Then medical management. In that, first point is large print syringe. Large print syringe. Syringe with magnifiers. It means that optical device. The next one is preset dosage, pre-filled syringes, monitoring blood pressures, monitoring blood glucose levels, monitoring temperatures, etc. comes under medical management. The next heading is orientation and mobility management. Orientation is using the remaining senses to establish one's location in one's environment. Mobility is an art of moving from one place to another place independently, safely, gracefully. Mobility cane, cost effective and easily available. Folding and unfolding models are available. Canes is a safe mobility device and universal techniques used. Sighted guide techniques, cane techniques, dog techniques, electronic travel aids are available. In electronic travel aids, Path Sounder is one of the electronic travel aid. Sonic guide, another electronic travel aid. Laser cane, Movat sensor, night scope, night vision devices. These are the orientation mobility electronic travel aids. The next heading is sensory substitution devices. In that, first one is auditory substitution devices, that is talking books. The second point is tactile substitution. In that, basic touch, braille 6 dots, moon 9 characters, that is Roman letters, fishbone alphabet, paperless braille, etc. comes under sensory substitution devices. And other devices, other DLS devices. DLS means daily living skills devices. In that, number 1 is concave mirror. Number 2, needle threader. Number 3, iron in a wooden box. Number 4, easy say stop level of liquid. Number 5 is flash torchlight. Number 6, buttons of different colors. Number 7, ropes for planting, plating and unplating hair. Notex, different size of currencies by tactile, oblique, grouping, then umbrella. These are the other devices. Next point is devices for recreation. Enlarged Ludo, enlarged chess set, enlarged eye contrast set of playing cards, enlarged and colorful football, enlarged and high contrast carom board with large and bright colored goals, and a TV with an enlarged screen and bright colors. Then trainings. In that, the voluntary use of an extra foveal locus or loci for fixation with the goal of improving the visibility of the target viewed. Some learn on their own while others do not need to be trained. Scanning and tracking training is required for them. Thank you very much.